Hi, my name is Rosie Morales Brown. I'm a speech language pathologist. I enjoy collecting vinyl records, and I love cooking and spending time with my family. Before I was a speech language pathologist, I was an event planner at a hotel, and I really loved planning people's weddings and making their dreams come true. But now as a speech language pathologist, I love working with children and seeing them fulfill their language milestones. Some are small and some are big. The best advice that somebody ever gave me about stuttering was that it was okay to stutter. I also speak another language. I speak Spanish, and I stutter in both languages as well.